Hey guys, today I've got an LG French door refrigerator with freezer on bottom. It has water and ice through the door, so water, ice, tons of controls here. You can see you can switch between cubes, crushed, you can control the temperature. This makes more ice faster. You get your light that works there, and then you have an alarm for leaving the doors open. And you can lock out these two, all of this, so that kids and pets and stuff can't accidentally make it work. The cool thing about this also, it does have two ice makers. So you have your ice from here. You also have an ice maker in the bottom freezer, which I'll show you here in a second. First, I want to show you that we've got the temperatures correct. And you can see in between those two red dots, this takes a surface temperature measurement. You'll see it changes as I shine it on different things here. And I've got it set to basically its coldest setting right now, just full blast. Just have it on full blast. Let's see. See, it's pretty cold there. And then recommended, I think, is like between 38 and 40. And we'll go ahead and close this up, and I'll show you down here as well. It's super cold down here. And there's your ice from your bottom. I guess a bucket probably would have been a good idea. But if you can see it, there's the ice maker there. You can turn that on or off. Put a little bucket there, catch your ice. Tons of space down there. And then I'll show you up here your water. And then your ice. Yep, and everything works perfectly there. And real quick, I'll give you a good. These are all the pictures and stuff are also inside. It will need a new water filter. Those are about 10 bucks on Amazon. Get your adjustable shelves, drawers, and everything on the inside. It's like new condition. Nothing's cracked or damaged or anything like that. Of course, I already kind of showed you down here, but you have this is adjustable. This pulls out for additional storage. I'll take all the ice out here in a sec, but well, that's pretty much it for this guy here. I'll get it listed up, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Have a good day.